We are counting down the 9 safest electric SUVs for families, ranked by real crash test data from IIHS and NHTSA, not hype. From compact EVs that outscore rivals in side impact tests to heavyweight 7-seaters engineered like rolling fortresses, this list covers vehicles with proven results. You will discover which model achieved near-perfect scores, which underdog broke into the top 3, and why safety hinges on more than just size. Let's begin with number 9. Subaru Solterra proves you don't need a heavyweight SUV to secure top-tier protection for your family. For 2025, the Solterra earned the IIHS Top Safety Pick Pluses, a rare achievement among compact electric SUVs. That recognition comes from a reinforced battery floor that boosts torsional rigidity by 20% over Subaru's previous platforms. In the latest tougher side impact crash test, the Solterra scored a good rating, which reflects real advances in shielding rear seat passengers from intrusion. Standard across every trim is Subaru's EyeSight Safety Suite, which includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane centering, and adaptive cruise control. For families with kids in the back seat, these engineering choices mean added peace of mind in the event of a side collision. Subaru's commitment to structural innovation, not just size or weight, sets the Solterra apart as an underdog that delivers serious family-grade crash protection. Tesla's Model Y stands alone as America's best-selling electric SUV, and its safety record is a big reason why. The NHTSA awarded the Model Y a perfect 5-star rating in every major category: frontal crash, side crash, and rollover. Its ultra-low center of gravity, thanks to the massive battery pack mounted under the floor, keeps rollover probability at just 7.9%. That is one of the lowest rollover risks ever recorded for any SUV, electric or gas. The rigid battery frame design adds crucial protection in both frontal and side impacts, translating to real-world peace of mind for families. With more than 1 million Model Ys on the road, crash data confirms its reputation for keeping occupants safe, especially in scenarios where taller, top-heavy SUVs can falter. For families, that stability is not just a number. It is a safety advantage you can count on every day. Genesis brings a different kind of protection to the table with the Electrified GV70, earning its place among the safest electric SUVs for families. This luxury compact stands out with a patented multi-impact energy distribution frame, an engineering approach that channels crash forces away from the cabin. It not only absorbs energy, it redirects forces to shield every occupant. The Electrified GV70 achieved IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus for 2025, and its Forward Collision Avoidance Assist 2 system scored a rare superior rating in both 25 miles per hour and 40 miles per hour crash prevention tests. In small overlap and side impact scenarios, the structure's layered energy routing has proven especially effective at minimizing intrusion, a crucial factor for families with children in the back seat. Genesis's focus on active safety and advanced crash engineering delivers peace of mind, making this SUV a standout for those who want both luxury and real-world crash protection. Rivian's R1S stands out for its sheer physical presence. With a curb weight tipping past 7,000 pounds and a skateboard platform that alone weighs over 900 pounds, this SUV brings a level of occupant protection few rivals can match. Engineers designed the frame to channel crash forces away from passengers. While official IIHS or NHTSA crash test badges are still pending, the R1S is widely regarded by automotive safety experts as a rolling stronghold. Its roof structure is built to withstand extreme loads, crucial for families who value real-world crash survivability in a tall SUV. But there is a trade-off. All that mass means more momentum in a collision, raising concerns about pedestrian safety. For buyers, it is essential to verify the build date and VIN to ensure any future safety upgrades are included. The R1S delivers fortress-like protection for those inside, but its weight keeps it at number 6. As the safety conversation moves toward lighter, tech-driven platforms. Number 5. The Audi Q6 e-tron. It enters the top 5 with an engineering focus that goes beyond brute strength. Built on the new PPE platform, co-developed with Porsche, this mid-size luxury SUV uses a multi-layer battery shield designed to contain both crash forces and thermal events. And that approach was tested in real-world fire simulations before launch. The Q6 e-tron earned the IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus for 2025, excelling in both moderate overlap and small overlap front tests and standing out in the latest side impact evaluations. But what truly separates it is headlight performance. The Q6 e-tron adaptive LED system scored a superior rating in IIHS testing, providing clear, even illumination, and sharply reducing the risk of dusk and nighttime collisions with pedestrians and cyclists. Audi's active safety suite, including automatic emergency braking and lane guidance, rounds out the protection package, giving families a blend of advanced technology and proven crashworthiness that sets a new bar for German electric vehicle safety. Volvo's EX90 lands at number 4 by doing what Volvo does best, rethinking every inch of family safety. The EX90 is one of the few electric SUVs to integrate a 3-point seatbelt directly into the rear center position, a detail often overlooked by rivals. In IIHS crash tests, this innovation translates to stronger restraint for all backseat passengers, especially kids in booster seats or teens in the middle row. Volvo's engineers calibrated the entire restraint system for child protection, including energy-absorbing seat frames and precise airbag deployment mapped to every seating position. The EX90's front crash avoidance system also scored among the highest in the 2025 IIHS ratings, with rapid pedestrian and cyclist detection that is tuned for busy school zones and city crosswalks. For parents, these design choices mean less worry about which seat is safest. Every spot in the X90 is built to the same uncompromising standard. That is why it sits just outside the podium, setting a new benchmark for family-focused restraint engineering. Ford's Mustang Mach-E opens the podium with a safety record built on consistency, not just a single standout test. For 3 years running, from 2023 to 2025, the Mach-E secured the IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus award, outperforming rivals in the demanding small overlap front crash test. Engineers did not rest on early success. In 2024, Ford rolled out a new battery thermal shield across all Mach-E trims. This upgrade, detailed in a service bulletin, was designed to dampen the risk of post-crash battery fires. It was a direct response to the latest industry focus on thermal runaway prevention. The Mach-E's commitment to everyday safety extends to people outside the car as well. Its automatic emergency braking system scored a superior rating for pedestrian detection, both in daylight and at night. In one verified incident, the Mach-E's sensors braked for a cyclist at dusk before the driver could react, preventing a serious injury. For families, this level of dependable, proactive protection is what moves the Mach-E into the top 3. Toyota's bZ4X comes within striking distance of the #1 spot, but there is a critical detail every buyer needs to know. The IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus Award applies only to bZ4X models built after December 2024, the direct result of Toyota's 15% B-pillar reinforcement. This structural upgrade, confirmed by Toyota's January 2025 service bulletin, dramatically boosts side impact protection. Earlier versions, even if they look identical, do not meet the latest crash test standard. That means families shopping for the safest possible bZ4X must check the build month on the door jamb label, or decode the full VIN, and do not trust window stickers or dealer promises alone. The difference is more than a technicality. In the updated IIHS side impact crash test, only the post-upgrade models earned a good rating, qualifying for the Top Safety Pick Plus badge. Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite is standard, with automatic emergency braking rated superior at both 12 miles per hour and 25 miles per hour. But none of this matters if you buy the wrong build. For anyone prioritizing family safety, verifying that build date is not just smart, it is essential. Hyundai's Ioniq 5 claims the top spot for one reason. It doesn't just excel in a single area, it delivers complete protection across every major crash scenario. The 2025 Ioniq 5 swept the IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus awards, earning a uniform good score in every crash test, including the updated moderate overlap and side impact evaluations that have tripped up so many rivals. Underneath, the eGMP platform's rigid battery floor and advanced crash structure absorb and redirect impact forces, keeping the passenger cabin remarkably intact even in severe collisions. But what truly sets the Ioniq 5 apart for families is the child seat experience. IIHS awarded it a rare good plus for latch system ease, meaning parents can install car seats quickly and correctly. No more wrestling with awkward anchors or tight seat backs. In a 2025 Hyundai owner survey, 94% of parents rated latch access as easy or very easy, a figure nearly unmatched across the segment. This attention to both structural safety and daily usability cements the Ioniq 5 as the safest electric SUV for families. No caveats, no fine print, just comprehensive protection where it matters most. Across all 9, one fact stands out. The safest electric SUVs are defined by relentless innovation, structural upgrades, smarter sensors, and rigorous crash data, not just badges. For families, protection now means constant evolution. In this race, safety is never finished. It is always the next breakthrough. Which would you trust?